Are you in search of a graphic design application that enables you to craft eye-catching social media posts, invitations, digital postcards, graphics, and beyond? Do you desire to initiate with your distinct concept and develop something exclusively for yourself? If so, it's time to explore Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is an online application incorporated within Microsoft 365. It employs artificial intelligence to produce original and editable designs using just a brief description. Additionally, it provides writing aid, layout recommendations, captions, hashtags, and more. Microsoft Designer can even eliminate photo backgrounds and substitute them with any imaginable thing. Utilizing Microsoft Designer is straightforward and comprises all the necessary tools for maintaining consistent creativity. You can generate multi-page projects as well as a brand kit that allows applying your specific colors and fonts throughout various designs. Furthermore, it enables efficient sharing of your creations on all significant platforms. Microsoft Designer offers design assistance from the beginning to the end by guiding you in creating graphics, right from selecting a template up until incorporating your personalized content and style. Benefit from advanced AI tools as Designer generates designs and images according to your input while removing unwanted elements from photos or filling empty areas with matching backgrounds, among other functions. Customize Microsoft Designer according to your style preferences or brand identity by personalizing the brand kit with unique colors and fonts. Moreover, receive suggestions for designs that align with your objectives based on learned preferences. Sharing becomes efficient across all major platforms while optimizing graphics for different social media formats, even allowing downloads as PNG or PDF files. Don't hesitate any longer. Give Microsoft Designer a try today and set free your creative potential.